too. You too. Get you out running out in the heat, huh? Get you running around in the heat, huh?
Oh yeah.
Well, they just registering the poles or inspecting it or what?
Just doing routine safety inspection is all.
I see. Okay.
We do it every 5 years.
Okay. The sturdiness of the pole and all that stuff, and you got to change the whole pole.
Yeah, we check. You know, we hammer it, see if it's hollow.
Okay.
They look around at the top and make sure there's no broken parts or anything.
Because I see going towards Hornell, there's a bunch of new poles laying on the side of the road ready to go up. So.
Yeah.
That's got to be a job.
They're putting in new poles for the fiber optic that'll be coming through for the high speed.
Okay. So I'm going to be able to get better high speed internet here eventually?
Everybody is supposed to have.
Really?
Yeah.
That'd be fantastic.
Yeah.
Because
I'm waiting for it myself.
Man, yeah, because Frontier is just maxed out, and I'm a YouTuber, and I like to put videos up on YouTube.
Right.
And it takes me maybe 2 or 3 days just to put a 10-minute video.
Wow.
Up. Even using the Verizon setup. So if we can get the fiber optic out here, and make things up in
everybody's supposed to have that available. Not sure exactly when. So.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, because I know a couple years ago it says, well, we can put fiber optic out there. You'll just have to get your neighbors to come up with $50,000,
right.
And I'm like, oh, you.
Yeah.
So we'll wait.
But yeah, I think it was. I don't even remember when they said they were going to be doing it and when it had to be done by, but.
Okay, so it's coming.
Yeah,
it's coming.
Yep.
That'll be awesome. Thanks again.
Yeah, have a great day.
You too. Be safe. All right, let's get this puppy up there. I just slide it across. Probably. Okay, we're getting the last piece across there. And then I can get everything, figure out how to get secured. Everything secured down to the thing here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. I don't think that's gonna. I'm gonna be able to lift that high enough for it to drop over. Oh, it did go. All right, you did go. You did go. Yay. No. Issue now. Guess I'm just gonna do it like so. Hey, come on. Straight across. Just on the dark side, but let's turn this around. I got stuff there. Just alright. Oh God. Alright, let's do something like this. Cut it out. Steal my. Oh, you dick. That's at that point. Just keep doing it. I'll get it all the way across. Alright. Stay on there. Good. dealing with the wind. Yeah. Good. Okay. Alright. Okay, we're gonna make it see. Me out on the. Get me on a limb. Alright. Guess what? It's right on the outside beam. Yep, right on the outside beam. I don't understand why the heck happened here. Those are all level across there with that on there. Yeah, good. Good. The other one. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's because this one's longer or shorter. Let's see where you're gonna sit. Alright, let's go see how flush it is with the other one. You're right on it. I like it. That's beautiful. Okay, so you guys can be just like that. So I'm gonna cut that. Well, I don't know. I need to make sure I need a piece out on the very end here, maybe. Both of them are all sitting low. Okay. So I need a piece, small piece. Oh, geez. I think you got 100 pieces right here. I'm thinking they're the same thickness as the furlings are, maybe not. Where's the furling? La 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 la. I got a piece right here I can use. Now 2 inches. Well, dude, if that ain't 2 inches, it's only a blade. It's only a blade diff. So here we go. I like it. Man, my butt up here. I am almost done. That's still high. Oh, get it. Why? That's still high. Alright. Well, I guess I gotta drop that. It must be my wood. It's got a nice freaking bow in it. That's the only thing I can think of. Because even that's level. That must have one heck of a kink in it. I think the only one I'm gonna be able to do it, I'll cut that out because that ain't leveling. That's too high. I'll take that one out. This one goes in. Cut that off later. No issue there. Okay, so I need to cut a piece off. Zip that piece off and I can pull it down. We're looking good there. Looking good there. I'm gonna have one more. Find something to go in between the two, I guess. 'Cause it's going 1, 2. It's only going 2 wide, so you're gonna be a whole 48. It's gonna go 1. And it's gonna go to that one there. I'm gonna have this open area here, so I'll have to put something to build something for the middle. It actually looks like it's going back up. Actually looks like it's coming back down this way. After all that. Yeah. Huh. I'm gonna take those out. Ain't this all? Shoot. Yeah. Oh, I gotta take them out. Yeah, actually I got it up high because I wasn't sure what's going on the outside. These gonna be all taken out. Those will actually be taken out. See, I actually did lift it up, didn't I? Yep. I lifted it up so I could get the beam in out there. Because I need to make sure everything's got a level.